your pre-operative workup in the OPD a day prior, we start you on antibiotic eye drops to be put at home, and we ask you to come with your face nicely scrubbed with no eye makeup, and the next day we plan your procedure on this LASIK machine. So this is a fast generation Allegretto LASIK machine. The patient lies here comfortably. The whole procedure does not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. Many patients have this fear in their mind that is LASIK painful. No, LASIK is not painful. We put some anesthetic drops to anesthetize your eye during the procedure. There is just a little point where there is a little pressure. When we put a microkeratome on your eye or a suction ring, it creates vacuum to create your flap. So there is a few seconds of pressure, but it's not painful. So this is the LASIK machine, and from beginning to end, it's a very comfortable procedure. The eye tracker is here. We position your head here. You come under the LASIK machine. In the beginning, we put a ring to create a micro flap, which raises the front portion of your cornea. Then, according to the type of error which you have, which we have already fed in our software here, the machine delivers the laser on your cornea to correct the glasses number. All the advanced machines also have an eye tracker. Suppose there is a micro movement of your eye, then the machine can readjust itself and give you the exact correction on the LASIK. So the whole procedure, as I said, takes around 10 to 15 minutes. There is no patch, no bandage, because once the laser is done, we wash the eye, put your flap back, make you rest for a few minutes, and that's about it. Once you go back home, you put in the eye drop. The first day may be a little uncomfortable in the sense that your vision may be a little blurry and there may be little issues of minor aches and pains, for which we can put drops. You can take an analgesic tablet. The next day when you get up, your vision is almost 90 to 95% okay. Henceforth, there are not many precautions in LASIK. We ask you to maintain the eye hygiene, keep your eyes clean for the next 4-5 days. Most of the patients can resume all of their normal activities from the very next day, like doing your routine work, going out, watching television. Computer use and all is restricted for a few days, because when you're staring at a screen, your eyes may dry out. So you're not lubricating eye drops. It takes a few days for your vision to restore to complete normalcy, because it's like getting used to a new pair of glasses or contact lenses. There are minor accommodative issues which settle down in the next few days. And most of the patients are traveled to fit to travel back in the next few days after the procedure.